So most of you guys have probably ever seen this, but I thought I'd go ahead and share it. For those of you that haven't, you can make some tinder for your starting your fires using jute and paraffin wax. Now I learned this watching Hedgehog Leatherworks video, and the gentleman's name escapes me that has the channel, but he showed this first, and so I'm going to give him the nod. But basically, you take and you cut pieces of jute into about 3-inch lengths, and then you immerse them into paraffin and impregnate them, and then they have a certain amount of water resistance or water repellency. I don't know that I want to call them waterproof, but yeah, certainly probably has some water resistance. Yeah, like if you get immersed and you get right out, or your kit bag falls in. So what I do though is I'm taking these tea light candles. I've got one here, and I cut the lengths of jute, and I just immerse them into the wax. Just push it down into the wax, just like that. I don't know if you can see that well. I'll move that over. Get it back in frame. See, so you can get a fair amount of those inside of this. You just got to be careful. If you kill the flame, it'll go cold and you won't be able to do anything. So you got to kind of work around this. But why do I do it this way? Okay, the reason I do it this way is because when I'm done, I have a container full of the wax impregnated jute, and I could seal this in a plastic bag or a little Ziploc snack bag, and I'm good to go. So how does it work? Okay, well, set up here. So I just pull a piece out of my tin. And there you can see it's all coated with wax. So let's immerse it in some water. Okay. So if you got immersed, you're out hiking, you drop your bag in a creek, or you fall in a creek. Okay. Just shake it off. Okay. So now I'm just going to break it up and unravel it. I'll take my ferrocerium rod. There it goes. Okay, let's add a little more. Again, dip it in the water. Okay. Shake it off. Probably didn't have enough there to work with. Bust it up. There you go. and it'll burn for a long time. The wax helps it to burn. So anyway, there's just a little idea. Like I said, I didn't come up with this. Hedgehog Leatherworks, and I'm so sorry, for the life of me I can't think of the gentleman's name that runs the company. He's made some very nice videos, and I would really recommend visiting his channel. He's got great video on rabbit throwing sticks, and also on fox vision and stalking. He makes those wonderful high-end sheaths, hedgehog leather sheaths that are made for like SE products and K-bars, and the tracker knife from Tops. Still burning, see? And that's just 2 little 3-inch strands of really cheap dollar store jute. I mean, this is not really nice high-end jute. It's just the junk from the Dollar Tree, probably made in China, like so many other things. But yeah, anyway, I just thought I'd share that. So you guys have a great day, and we'll talk to you a little later.